When to use a Whoop charging cable is a question many fitness enthusiasts and athletes have. To answer this question, we first need to understand what a Whoop charging cable is and its purpose. The Whoop charging cable is a specific type of cable designed for the Whoop fitness tracker, a device that tracks an individual's physical activity, sleep patterns, and recovery. To determine when to use a Whoop charging cable, we need to consider the battery life of the Whoop device. The Whoop fitness tracker has a battery life of up to 5 days on a single charge, depending on usage and settings. When the battery level falls below a certain threshold, it is time to charge the device. Here are the steps to follow when using a Whoop charging cable. First, locate the charging port on your Whoop device, usually found at the top or side of the tracker. Next, plug the Whoop charging cable into a power source, such as a computer or a wall adapter. Then, insert the other end of the cable into the charging port on your Whoop device. The device will start charging, and you will see a charging indicator on the screen. Best practices for using a Whoop charging cable include charging your device regularly to ensure it always has enough power, avoiding overcharging, which can reduce the battery life, and keeping the charging cable clean and dry to prevent damage. It is also recommended to use the official Whoop charging cable to ensure compatibility and safety. In summary, use a Whoop charging cable when the battery level of your Whoop device falls below a certain threshold, usually when it has up to 20% battery life left. By following the steps outlined above and adhering to best practices, you can keep your Whoop device charged and ready to track your fitness activities. Regular charging and proper care of the charging cable will also help extend the lifespan of your device.